Hey Miso, you know, that sure is a small bottle. If you add the right stuff, you can make a lot more of that.
We mean fermentation. If you have some yeast and it goes through fermentation, then one of the byproducts is alcohol, specifically ethanol.
There is a lot more that cellular respiration does for you though, like give you energy. Woo! Finals are done! So we start with pyruvate and NADH for reactants for fermentation.
Yeah, and we got those molecules from the process of glycolysis. Glycolysis is a process that goes on in our bodies before fermentation. Just so you aren't too confused, Miso, here's a quick rundown on them.
The sugar molecule. The sugar molecule from your apple treats uses NAD+ to break it down into two pyruvate molecules.
When the NAD+ is used, NADH is created, and the end product is ATP, energy. Then, the newly made pyruvate and NADH can be used in fermentation.
The process after glycolysis can be either the Krebs cycle or fermentation.
No, we want fermentation. We won't focus on the Krebs cycle. We want the anaerobic process.
Organisms go through one of the other, or based off of oxygen. When the organism has no oxygen, it goes through fermentation. So back to the fermentation diagram.
So, we have the reactants that we just went over. Those react together to form NAD+ and either lactic acid or alcohol.
No, mammals produce lactic acid during fermentation. Other organisms like yeast and bacteria produce the alcohol.
And that's it. That's how alcohol is produced. Miso, if you get some yeast and you deprive it of oxygen every now and then, we could have much more alcohol than the tiny thing that you have.
We actually did a practice fermentation run before this video. Here you go. Be safe though.